Good morning, friends. Today I'm going thrifting. I'm super excited. I'm refreshing my Depop shop, and it's something that I really need to do because after I went to New York, I've sold down on a lot of things, and I just really want to refresh it so it can be bright, shiny, and new, and take some more pictures just to get remotivated and just to revitalize the shop for the new year. So I am at the Laurel Thrift Center right now. I thought I was going to Salvation Army, but for some reason when I was typing it into my maps, I didn't realize that, I typed the wrong thing. Laurel Thrift Center is not Salvation Army, which is fine. I wanted to go to Salvation Army specifically because they have deals on Wednesday, 50% off of all clothing, but I'm at Laurel Thrift Center. I'm pretty sure they'll have deals too, so super excited to take you along with me. And I think I'm going to do a Depop actual haul of what I'm going to post later, so hang out. It's gonna be fun. So I think I'm slowly turning into a cartoon character that wears berets every day. And I'm not really mad about it. Anywho, I just wanted to say I hope you guys are having a marvelous day and that your year is going off great. There's a lot of background noise, so I'll probably tell you that again, but that's okay. Who doesn't need reassurances more than once? Color of the day is yellow, 50% off, and white is 30%, so that's what we're looking for. Hopefully we can find some. Usually whenever I have colors to go by, I never find the ones that are on sale. Fingers crossed! Such a cute little vintage Talbot's rainbow sweater. People love stripes, and I think I can style this really cute, and it's only $2.98 and it's 30% off, so great deal. Can definitely sell this for $15. Great. So I haven't had much luck with selling jackets, but I'm obsessed with this, and I think it's a great price point, so I'm going to buy it and try again. And it has a cute little faux fur collar. It's amazing. This may be a little bit of a risk, but every now and then I'm willing to take that risk. It's just so adorable. How can I not buy it? Oh, there's so many good sweaters. I'm not gonna have time to go through this. Really wish I had more time. I don't, because I gotta go get Jonathan lunch, so this is gonna be a mad dash. Okay, so I just finished up at Laurel Thrift Center, and I did a really good job. I got everything I got for $11.53, and I got, 2 jackets, a shirt, and a sweater. That's a really good deal. And I had this coupon from Christmas time where I got 25% off my entire purchase on top of the discounts I already got. So I'm super stoked today. Today so far has been a really good thrift day. I'm gonna include some just little things that I do when I'm thrifting for things to resell. And honestly, it's helpful just for thrifting in general. It helps you sift through the stuff that you don't want and find the things you do want. I have arrived at Salvation Army, and it looks like everyone else is here. Jonathan told me I should stop doing this, but I like it, so I'm gonna do it because I'm me. But anyways, there's a bunch of people here. And a lot. See? Had to park in a place that I usually don't park. Usually I can just come in and pop in. But there's a ton of people here. Excited to go in and find some goodies. In my favorite spot, which is the men's t-shirts, because typically they're really cheap, and I can triple how much I want to sell it for really quickly. And I always typically find something because there's always a ton of t-shirts in almost every thrift store, so that's a tip for you. Check out the t-shirts. There's tons of them. Lots of money in that, and people, they're very easy to commit to for people, so when they buy them, it's not something they feel it's a t-shirt. Okay, cool, I'll buy it. It's awesome. Another pro tip is if you're looking for pretty cool graphics, usually the black and the grays are really good places to start, because those are the most printed backgrounds. White is okay. It's just that usually it may be stained, so you have to worry about that. So yeah, pretty sure I am on the ground right now because this is an easy way to dig into all these shirts. There's so many, so I just kneel and sift through really, really fast. Like, other tip, something you want to avoid whenever you're looking for t-shirts is a lot of t-shirts that people give away are warped. So you really want to look to see if it lays flat. So see how this automatically, it's like, that's the side seam, and you see all of this, that is completely twisted. So that means on the body it will be twisted and it'll look really bad. So this is called torquing, and you don't want your t-shirt to torque because nobody likes a shirt that's wrapped around. It's especially bad whenever you have like a graphic on the shirt and your graphic's all skewed. So something just to keep in mind. You don't want torque. You don't want a twisted shirt, so check it out. Also want to check out everything for stains, rips. Check the seams to make sure everything is intact. You want to be really impeccable for holes, anything. And then if there are any things that you feel like you can sell with the imperfection, just make sure you're very vigilant about documenting it and then also disclosing it to your buyer. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to jump into the men's sweatshirts and some of the other like just long sleeves. But before I do that, I'm going to do another tip on just looking at pants. So for pants, you want to make sure that you look at like the zippers, the pockets, make sure they have no holes, because sometimes the pockets are slashed inside the pants. And then you want to look at the hem to make sure it's not ripped, because especially with jeans, people rip holes through them and they wear them really rough. And then also, this may seem really weird in TMI, but you want to make sure you check the crotch, because sometimes you can find some really nasty stuff there. It's nearing the time that I need to leave for lunch because I actually ended up having more time to come back and shop because Jonathan wasn't really that hungry. But I want to just give you a few more tips before I leave here, and I'll probably continue more tips when I get home as I think of them. But whenever you're doing like really any light colored item and just in general, you really want to check the armpits. So like at first glance this look fine, and then you see like this yellowing here. You want to really make sure you're checking that, because that's not something you really want to sell. I mean, it depends on how great the item is. And then if your item has buttons, you really want to make sure that it has every single button, because that also sucks. If you find out an item doesn't have a button and you're getting ready to sell it, it's just not the best thing. So yeah, I found quite a few things today, which I will show you in another. That was intense. It was great. I think I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna push my luck and tire myself out. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Go get lunch for Jonathan and I, and then go home until I have to come back and pick him up. Not gonna be crazy. So yeah, thanks for following along.